Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm definitely happy to present the UK exclusive Beyblade. It's the Beyblade X Dranzer Spiral 380 taper, but this is the UK exclusive. So this is what the Hasbro release one is. Red edition. Now I have the green edition. Really happy. 25 years, 1999, 2024. So yeah, definitely really cool to do this. And this time, not like the other one, I found my little tweezers for our stickers and everything. So yeah, definitely happy to get this to it. Since this will be going up today, I did get a few things that weren't video game related. Let me grab one of them right now. This one out of three manga volumes I have coming in is Dragon Ball Super Volume 21. Rip Akira Toriyama. But yeah, now I have, there's 23 volumes right now, and it's on hiatus, so yeah. And finally, Team Trunks and Goten. Definitely like his design in this. And my, back to a teenager or so. Yeah, we got it. And I got this guy in today too. Actually, I got Halo Infinite. So I have the all 6 main series. So original Halo, Halo 2, 3, 4, 5, Guardians, and Infinite. And I just got Infinite for $24, brand new in box. So brand new. Online compared to a used one at GameStop for like $33. Even with my pro membership, I have one. Definitely pretty pricey, very good price. And then I got Kaiju number 8, volume 10. Finally got that in. And Sailor Moon volume 8, because I'm kind of remember seeing it a bit as a kid, but yeah. Here's the shitty launcher that normally comes with it. Yeah. Instruction booklets. Let's put the stickers on. Oh god. No. Okay, here's Dranzer S, Spiral. It looks like gorgeous green. I like this one a lot. Stickers, Ratchet 380, and taper. So yeah, let's put it together and be right back. Okay, there we go. Dranzer Spiral. Okay. There we go. Here's the Hasbro UK exclusive for Hasbro. So yeah, Let's do test launch and be right back. Okay, so here's the launch. Basically the same as this. Now I'm just missing the Amazon exclusives, but I was gonna get them yesterday, but they sold out. So yeah, sadly. Let's do a quick little launch against these two. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, and goodbye.